Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the essential Linux commands you should know in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or revisiting Linux, these commands are crucial for navigating and managing the Linux environment efficiently. Let's start with the basics. The ls command lists directory contents, while cd changes directories. Around these staples, mkdir lets you create new directories, expanding your workspace. To view a file's contents, use cat for a quick peek, or less to navigate large files interactively. When it comes to file management, cp copies files or directories, and mv moves or renames them. To create an empty file quickly, use touch. If you need to delete files or directories, rm is your go-to, but remember, it deletes permanently, so be cautious. For those who love efficient searching, the grep command searches within files, while find helps locate files throughout the system. Linked to this is locate, which is lightning fast in finding files already indexed by the system. Navigating permissions is vital. The chmod command changes file permissions, ensuring security and appropriate access. Alongside this, chown changes file ownership. Both are key to maintaining a secure environment. Networking commands are fundamental too. Use ping to check connectivity to a server. Meanwhile, ifconfig and the more modern ip command manage network interfaces, exploring detailed network configuration. Process management is another pillar. The ps command views running processes, while top provides a dynamic real-time overview of system performance. To terminate processes, kill is at your disposal. To ensure secure remote operations, SSH connects you to other computers securely. Alongside this, SCP helps in copying files securely between networked systems. Lastly, remember that Linux's strength lies in its vast array of commands. These foundational ones we've covered are just the beginning. Exploring further and practicing regularly is the key to mastering Linux. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates on your tech journey.